G'day guys, Adam here from Fatz Fabrication. We've got Albert behind the camera. We just want to show you the latest revision of our Y62 Snorkel on Nissan's latest revision of the Y62 Patrol. Let's have a look. Alright guys, we'll talk about a few design considerations that we've had to take into account with the overall structure of the Snorkel. Basically there is a big structural member behind the guard here, so you are limited with how early you can enter through the guard. We do like to enter a little bit further up the guard, but without cutting through that member, you are a little bit restricted. Basically from the airbox, we've got the factory box still in here. It then seals to the inside of the guard panel. We then couple onto the outside of that with a flange plate and a pipe welded onto that, and it's sealed completely to our Snorkel. At the back, you naturally have that little trim piece, little chrome trim piece there. So basically we've taken the back edge of that as our finish point for the Snorkel. So we do cut out the entirety of that without any sort of evidence of that being there. With the pillar mount, we're trying to revise that to get a little bit of a neater finish. So looking from the front, no evidence of the mount there at all. Coming around the back, we bolt the mount into the pillar. These pillars have a plastic trim on top, so you get a little bit of a cavity. We've inserted spaces in the cavity so it does bolt up hard and you're not crushing that trim. And then the bracket bolts into the Snorkel with welded in nutserts for security there. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the viewing and enjoyed our latest revision of the Y62 Snorkel. We have had a lot of calls for a 5-inch on this vehicle, being a large panel, potentially a 5-inch would look more fitting. It's going to be a big unit based on where we need to enter the guard here. There's some other considerations with a 5-inch. The componentry for a 5-inch is worth pretty well 4 times the amount of what a 4-inch is. We are looking into it, and if people are willing to allow us the use of their vehicle to develop that on, we would be very interested in taking that on. So shoot us a message, leave a comment below, let us know what you think. Cheers guys.